Lecture number 7, Paint Bucket and Image Texturing. In this lecture, we're going to see how we can use the Paint Bucket command in a large toolset toolbar and how we can use the Image Texturing command for making the solar panel and the various rooftop area whenever we see the various types of the roof also. So whenever we want to make a color for any of a wall or the rooftop area, so that time mostly we are using the paint bucket and preparing the solar panel actually. So that time we can use the image texturing of the solar panel over here. So basically first we're going to talk about how we can just use the paint bucket over here actually. So let's say this dimensional object we have drawn over here. Now for that purpose we have to use the paint bucket, which is the second command has been given in the large tool set toolbar over here. So we just click on this paint bucket over here. So in this paint bucket actually we can choose the any of a color that we want to give for the wall surface of this building over here. So let's say I'm clicking on this particular materials over here. So in this we can choose any of a color that we want to paint to this particular wall surface of this diagram over here. So let's say in this case we're going to choose the blue color for painting of this particular wall surface. So after selection of this color, we have to just click on the surface of this particular diagram like this. So we can just do the painting over the particular wall surface whenever we make the object or the colorful or the attractive object in the solar power plant designing actually. So that time we can use the color coding system over here. So that time whatever the color that we required, that we can choose over here. Now for selecting the rooftop area actually, some roof you might have seen it is RCC roofs are there, some are the metal type of the barn roofs are there, some will have some kind of the tile roofs are there or the shingle will be there. So that color coding you can do over the rooftop area actually. So for that purpose we have to click on the materials after clicking on this paint bucket. Once we have click on this paint bucket, we have to click on this plus symbol, that is a create material over here. So once we have click on this create material, we have to choose the second option, that is a texture over here. So if I want to do the RCC texturing over this rooftop area, so we can just download the various image available in the Google. So in the Google you have to write that roof seamless texture. If you want to get the solar panel texture, so you can write there solar panel seamless texture over here. So seamless texture means what? It is just giving us the texturing of this particular figure or this diagram over here actually. So first we're going to take the texturing of this particular RCC structure. So once if I want to go for the flat type of a roof structure, so we just go for this RCC structure texture selection, and which scale we want to multiply over here actually, how much amount of the zoom that we want basically, that we can set it over here. So let's say here I am mentioning over here as a 2 meter by 2 meter, that should be display over here. So if I am writing over here, simply click on the roof. So this is a RCC rooftop area will be constructed over here actually. So after preparing the parapet wall and the further obstructions in the rooftop area, so you can make the RCC structure for any kind of the building over here. Now we have to change this particular rooftop area to the tile type of a roof. Then we have to again click on the texturing image, and here we just select the tile type of a roof over here, open, and we just clicking on this particular paint bucket over here actually like that. So it will just giving us the tile roof texture over this rooftop area. So whenever we are making the inclination of the rooftop area, so that time as per the reality of a site what we are observing actually, so simultaneous rooftop area we can construct over here. Similarly now we're going to see how to make the structure for the solar panel over here. So we can make a solar panel as per the real dimension what it is given in the data sheet of the solar panel. Now we just going to change the texturing of the solar panel over here. So we just click on the create material, and second column we are just clicking over here, use the texture image of the solar panel. So we can download any of a solar panel which we want to install, whether it is a mono panel, half cut panel, bifacials, or the plain kind of a structure will be there that we can import from the Google over here. So after downloading the image texture, so we can select this particular texture over here. Okay, so we just click over this particular surface. So now the solar panel texture will be copied over here actually. So you can see over here. So like that, if I want to make the solar panel in the Google SketchUp, so we can use of the texturing of the image to make a front part of the solar panel. If we are dealing with the bifacial type of the solar panel, on the both side we have to make the texturing of the solar panel over here. And for the monofacial, we can do only for one face the texturing of the solar panels over here. So like that, to make the very attractive drawing and the 3D construction, we can use the paint bucket and the image texturing command box in the large toolset toolbars.